In today's video, we're going to be checking out the SooPii 60W 12 amp 6-port charging station. With 6 ports that provide 60 watts, one of those ports being Quick Charge 3.0, this charging station can charge up to 6 devices at once. It also features built-in LED lights that show you the charging status of each device, so at a quick glance, you can see if your devices are fully charged. In the box, you'll be getting 7 dividers, plus an Apple Watch divider/stand, 4 6-inch lightning cables, 2 6-inch USB-C cables, 2 6-inch micro USB cables, the user manual, and some promo sheets. And then we have the power cable along with the SooPii charging station. To put it together, just snap in each divider into the grooves until you hear them click in. Looking around the device, we can see that it's pretty clean in appearance, only having subtle branding. The USB ports and the power cord being kept off to one side of the charging station, while the LED switch is off on its own. This switch is actually used to control the charging status LEDs, whether they're on or off. Flipping it to the off position will not cut the power to any of the USB ports, and your devices will continue to charge. With the majority of the cables being lightning cables, plus the fact that it has a divider specifically designed for the Apple Watch, I think it's safe to say that SooPii is targeting Apple users with this product. So if you're like me, where a majority of your devices are USB-C, you'll need to pick up some additional 6-inch USB-C cables, or use the cables that normally come with your device. But the odds are your setup isn't going to look as clean, as those cables are usually longer. So whether you're using phones or tablets, the dividers can hold the devices in place. And if you use pop sockets with your devices, that won't be an issue either, as there's space for devices as thick as 3/4 of an inch. The charging status LEDs aren't overly bright and actually are quite hard to see when the room is well lit. Otherwise, this charging station does exactly what you would expect. Keep your devices organized, provide a fast charging option, and charge up to 6 devices at the same time. If you're interested in the SooPii charging station, I'll be dropping the product link down in the description. And if you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.